Hi, my name is Randy Rockefeller. I'm an instructor at Baker College of Auburn Hills, and I just wanted to share a few things some takeaways that I am applying to my class from our recent professional development. I partook in the assessment portion of the professional development, and in there we kind of uncovered that some of the rubrics that could be used, and we talked about like using a hybrid model where we could build a rubric and combine different types of rubrics together. And so that got me thinking about, well, why not sort of combine a few other things with the rubric to help me sort of assess how the class is doing. So in my particular class, I teach computer animation. So for me, sometimes it's very difficult to know exactly how much they really understood at the end of the class with the hands-on exercises that we do. So what you're looking at here is this is a rubric that I put together that sort of puts together a checklist on what elements that we covered in class, and how many points, or how much of the in-class assignment I'm sort of awarding for accomplishing each of those elements. So they have a pretty good idea, in this class period, kind of what we're going to try to shoot for. So it also helps them as well as me when I get to sort of evaluate whether they really understood how to do all these elements. The other thing that I got that I sort of brought in was giving them an opportunity to give me feedback on what they learned or what they struggled with. Combining something I learned in a previous professional development session, which was using Muddiest Point, which is sort of a opportunity for a student to write for 5 minutes on what they learned or what they struggled with. And I decided to combine that right into this rubric sheet that they would hand in to me at the end of the class. So I found sort of creating this sort of hybrid thing, with the rubric has really kind of helped me better assess, how my students are doing, and give them a feedback tool so that we can identify what they're really struggling with. So I just thought I'd share that on something that I'm employing in my class after this recent professional development session. Thanks.